Namaste. Uh, I Vivian Gaurav Goyal from the Faculty of Field Surgery and Diagnostics in the Department of Diagnostic and Community Health and discipline in the radiology from Jayoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. In uh, today's session, we will discuss some sessions. We will discuss about the session that is an important session for for uh, getting a good knowledge of radiation physics or general radiation physics in the PhD second semester. Okay. Namaste. Uh, in today's session, we will discuss about the tube rating. Tube rating in general radiation physics second on BSc second semester. So it is very important when we are discussing, when we are studying the X-ray tube. So tube rating is an important topic. Okay. So let me discuss about the tube rating. X-ray tube is designed for a particular type of radiation. X-ray tube is designed for a particular type of radiation, and hence it should be loaded carefully. First, the focal spot must not be loaded beyond a certain powder input. Certain powder input. Second, the anode must not be loaded by successive exposure beyond a certain limit. So, focal spot must not be loaded by beyond a certain powder input. Okay. Second, the anode must not be loaded by successive exposure beyond a certain limit. Means cathode, the focal spot uh, or focal area at which the electrons are incident and acceleration is produced. So certain power input means the focal spot or focal area may not be supplied power input beyond the limit, and the anode must not be loaded by such exposure means beyond a certain limit. Means the anode receives only a certain exposure, not excessive exposure. Okay. Finally, the housing must not be expected to dissipate its energy at rate beyond a certain value. Okay. So the housing must not be expected to dissipate its energy or heat at a rate beyond a certain value. Okay. So heat dissipation occurs in a limit, in a certain limit or value. Okay. If a X-ray tube is overloaded, enormous amount of heat will be produced. Therefore, the surface layer of the target may evaporate. Okay. So, the electron bombardment of the on the anode, when it is in excessive or a large amount, the enormous amount of heat will be produced. Heat dissipation is more in proportion. Therefore, the surface layer of the target may evaporate. The evaporated tungsten will deposit on the inner side of the glass tube, increasing the inherent filtration and reducing the tube output. So it reduces the tube output. Means X-ray production. The tungsten useful beam X-ray production. The tungsten tungsten deposit may also cause irregular conduction. So tungsten deposition in the anode inner side may also cause irregular conduction path within the tube, resulting in electrical instability and breakdown. Okay. So after the deposition of tungsten or evaporation of tungsten in the inner side may also cause irregular conduction path within the tube. Okay, so it causes irregular conduction of electricity, resulting in electrical instability and breakdown occurs. The term tube rating refers the maximum load that may be applied on the tube, which may not cause any breakdown or damage to the tube. Okay, so tube rating refers to the maximum load on the tube at which the load doesn't cause any breakdown or damage to the tube in a certain limit. Normally, the tube rating is given in the form of the chart and will be supplied with the tube. The tube rating may be classified as electrical and thermal rating. So the electrical rating tells us the maximum combination of kVp, Ma and time that may be used. The maximum voltage that may be applied depends upon the characteristics of the applied voltage and tube. The maximum Ma depends on the filament design and its electron emission. Okay. So maximum voltage that is applied, it depends on the characteristics of applied voltage and the tube. The maximum Ma depends on the filament design and its electron emission. So it maximum Ma, milliampere means current. It depends on the filament design. Filament design in the form of a spiral, in the form of wire, or its efficiency and its electron emission, at which rate the filament emits electrons. Okay, so it depends on the filament design and electron emission capacity. The thermal rating. Thermal rating thermal rating gives the information about the number of exposures that may be given in a given period of time. Okay, to know the thermal rating, we have to calculate the energy deposited in the target. The energy is equal to kVp multiplied by Ma multiplied by exposure time in seconds. So this is the energy deposited in the target. Energy deposited in the target is equal to kVp multiplied by Ma multiplied by exposure time in seconds. Okay. The product of these factors are expressed in a heat unit. So it is the energy deposited at the target is also called the heat unit. Okay. One heat unit is equal to 0.71 joule. That is the value of the heat unit. The maximum energy depends upon the tube characteristic and waveform of the electrical supply. In a single phase full wave rectifier circuit, the current and voltage are not constant. Hence, the energy deposited may be estimated by using the relation energy is equal to 0.75 multiplied by SU means heat unit. In the 3-phase or 6-phase circuit, rectifier circuit, the energy deposited is equal to 1.35 multiplied by heat unit. That is the energy deposited at the target. It depends on the circuit, 1-phase circuit or 3-phase or 6-phase circuit. In the 1-phase circuit or in the one phase circuit or single phase circuit, full wave rectified circuit. So energy deposited is equal to 0.75 into multiplied by heat unit, or in the three phase of phase rectified circuit, the energy deposited is equal to 1.35 multiplied by heat unit. So thank you. Namaste. In the previous session, we had discussed about the tube rating, that is divided in the electrical rating and thermal rating. In today's session, we will discuss about the off focus radiation. So, what is off focus radiation, or why it is produced? Means how it is produced. Off focus radiation is produced by an X-ray tube when high-speed electron interacts the anode surface. Okay. So when electron emitted from the filament. So these electrons having different energies or different velocities. In these electrons, some electrons having high speed or high velocity, and so contain high kinetic energy. So these electrons are high speed electrons. When these high speed electrons interact with the anode surface or target surface, so radiation, off focus radiation is produced other than focal spot area. Okay, focal spot area means effective focal area or focal spot area. The main source of off focus radiation is due to the electron backscattered from the anode. Electron backscattered means when electron interacts with the target or anode, so these electrons scattered, fully scattered back in back projection. So it is called back scattered electron. Okay. This creates a very large low intensity excess. So these electrons that is back scattered from the anode create a large low intensity excess, which increases the patient exposure. Okay, so low energy X-ray doesn't take a part in imaging. It increases the patient dose, patient exposure, and also reduce image quality, or also influence the image quality. To reduce the off focus radiation, small collimator may be placed very close to the X-ray. Okay, so if or to avoid or reduce the off focus radiation, small collimator may be placed very close to the X-ray. Small collimator may be placed very close to the X-ray. Okay, so collimator is placed close to the X-ray. Grounded anode and metal tube envelope. So anode should be grounded, and metal tube envelope are also used in some mammographic tube to reduce off focus radiation, where image quality is very important, or where the image quality is very important factor, because in mammography soft tissue X-rays are occur, or X-ray are taken. Okay, so these are the off focus radiation. It produces low energy X-ray, low energy radiation that influence or that reduce the image quality and take a part in the radiation agent radiation exposure, it increases the patient exposure. These are the off-focus radiation. Okay, thank you. Thank you. The session is over. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. I think you are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, then put it into the comment box. I will resolve it later. Okay, thank you.